morning, everyone. It is 3:43 in the morning, but I got enough sleep. I think I passed out before 9 last night, which is crazy. If you don't know, I have a 4-year-old now and a 2.5-year-old, almost 3-year-old. So fun times. But I wanted to make this Jasmy video for you guys because people are panicking. I saw in the comment section in my video yesterday, what is going on with Jasmy? Why is Jasmy crashing? So I did make an update for Patreon members yesterday. It was 21 hours ago. You can see right here. And I stated Jasmy looks to be putting in that higher low right now. Another great opportunity to buy Jasmy on discount. Buy levels are 0.01194 and 0.01118. The 0.01119 is what I bought last time, and I shared that with all of you and people that follow me on X. By the way, give me a follow on Twitter. X link is down below, and also my Instagram. If you follow me today on Instagram, I will be following you back. You can find that Instagram link down below. So this is really what it was looking like yesterday. I'm going to zoom in, and then I'll show you the actual chart. You can see we're pulling back this big red candle. We were at price here, we were at 12.05 at the time. And you can see we were right at the 618 level right here. And we actually wicked down to that area right below that white line. So if we look at today, I mean, it looks absolutely beautiful. Okay. See this big wick right here. So we were down here when we were talking about it. This was my first buy level right here, this first white line. And the second white line is right here. Okay. And basically this is my buy level. I'll just kind of give you a lesson real quick, is because when you take a Fibonacci from the low to the high, technically stocks and crypto tend to retrace back to these levels. And you can see that the candle actually did not close below the 50, which is a great sign, but the 618 level is technically a reversal. If it doesn't reverse here, then usually it reverses at the 786 level, which would be the 1118. And I'll prove it to you right now because that's when I bought down here at 1119 before this big pump. Okay. And basically I knew to do that because of this. And then I'm going to show you guys where I believe Jasmy is going next. So just stay patient with me. I truly appreciate it. So take a fib from the high to the low. You can see the 786 level is right below this white line, which is 0.01119 basically right here. So I bought right here because this was the 786 level. And then what typically happened, we reversed. And all we're doing right now, let's get rid of this, is making a higher low from this point. Kind of like what happened here, right? When we pumped, we pull back, make a higher low, we pump again, we pull back, higher low, pump again. So this is just pretty much making higher highs and higher lows. This is what happens. It's totally normal. Let's get rid of this so you can see it a little clearer. And I'll even show you this right here. When this pumped over here back in April of 2025, if I take a fib from this high and bring it all the way, or that low to this high, you could see that we pulled back all the way to the 50 right here, and then we continue to climb up. But let's go a little higher. Let's go from this one, and let's bring this one to this low right here. Okay. You can see this wick down all the way to the 786 level perfectly. See this wick where my mouse is? So we pull back to the 786 level, and then we continue to climb. Well, that's what's happening right now, guys. If I pull the fib from this to the high, we actually pull back to the 618 level. So that's why that was a buy level for me. So congrats, any Patreon members that took advantage from this post yesterday, 21 hours ago. You're up on Jasmy. And this calms me down, and it should calm you down too when you start to really just understand this stuff. And I really use the RSI, stochastic, MACD, obviously Fibonacci, and this is what I've been doing for the YouTube community for the last 2 years. Actually, I've been on YouTube for 2.5 years, really focused on crypto right now, and Bitcoin miners and all the good ones like SoFi just double, which I shared with you guys. So if you want to learn more about this and different chart setups, you can join the Patreon. Links are down below. You can try it out for free. Just click free if you want to start with the paid option, which gives you access to exclusive videos, exclusive posts, and of course, joining our Discord where you can communicate with other members. You can do that for as low as $11 a month. All right, so where are we going next? So let's take from the high to the low. Okay. You can see so far we ran up to the 382 level. We're pulling back. We pull back to the 618 level, and now we're about to climb higher. Okay. So the next level would really be the 50, right around here. You can see there's a lot of traffic right here. This would be very short term, about a penny and a half, which is sad to say that Jasmy is still trading where it's trading right now. But even a move like that to a penny and a half from here would be about 22%, which would be great. I'm not interested in selling at that point. I'm more interested in the next big move. Okay, so let's look at that. So a full Fibonacci retracement from this high to the low would get us all the way to back 5.7. Okay, so we have 4.95 to 5.7 and 5 to 6 cents, which obviously was our last resistance point over there. Okay, so let's get rid of this, and I'm going to show you something which is pretty cool. Let's pull up a weekly. Okay, so this is looking good. The higher low is setting right here. Okay. Now, when Jasmy runs, it runs very fast, usually over 3 to 5 weeks. So if I take this and everything's looking good with what I just showed you, you can see we rejected 236 level right here, put in the higher low. So the next level is probably going to be about 4 to 4.1 right here would be the 618 level. That's something I've been saying for a long time. I said worst case scenario, if the cycle top was in for Jasmy, we're going to retrace back to the 618 level and put in that lower high at 4 cents. But honestly, I believe we're going much higher. Of course, it's not financial advice, not a financial advice, it's all my own opinion. And I have a price target of right here, about 8.5 to 9 cents. That'd be 2 Fibonacci levels right here lined up. If you want to be super bullish and say, you know what, you're wrong, we're going way higher than my next level is about 13.5 to 14 cents. I have a white line right there. And then the level after that, guys, would be 20 to 22 cents right here. This is where I will sell pretty much everything, right? Like I have different percentages that I plan to sell at each level. Also studying the RSI, stochastic, and the MACD and really seeing what that's doing at the time because that really tells you when to get out. But yeah, I'm going to be getting out around this area right here, okay? Also, you can see this is the 618 level, 21 to 22 cents. If I take it from this high of about 35 cents and I bring it all the way down to the very bottom of 0.002 and some change. Okay, so that's exactly my plan. I hope this video was helpful. I told you I'm going to make longer videos like this. I don't even know how long this video is so far. But my goal every day, guys, on YouTube is to make at least an 8-minute video for you, right? So you can watch this while you're driving. Sometimes I'm going to make longer ones, maybe 12, 13, 14 minutes. But this is just a quick update on Jasmy that I wanted to share with you. You can see a lot of volume up here also. So this could be the next strong move, honestly, based off volume as well. Some resistance right here. I do think we're going to break this. We're going to go much higher. So I'm not concerned at all. The last time I bought Jasmy was at the 0.01119 level. I didn't buy any yesterday. I'll just be completely honest with you, but I know some people did, and I hope this post helped them. And I hope this video is helping you understand really how this moves and why we should stay calm. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So with that, I hope you have a great Thursday. Happy 4th of July tomorrow. I hope you have a safe weekend, and we will see you on the next one.